Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to set profile picture on Facebook. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Facebook homepage. Now I'll click on this profile name over here. Now after that you can see I am here in my profile. Over here you can see here is no profile picture. Now to set profile picture, first of all click on this small camera icon over here. And after that you can see choose profile picture. Now click on this upload photo. After that you can choose from your desktop. Now I'll choose mine. Over here I'll choose this profile picture of TrendTechGuide. After that we can just give the description if you want. And also we can crop this image from here. Now I'll fix this a bit and you can see it's okay. After that, to set this as profile picture, just click on this save. And now you can see our profile picture is added. So in this way we can set profile picture on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.